I want to show you a cute way to wear your IBE this winter time. Since we're coming up on the season where there's going to be a lot of beanies and hats and fun things like that, I want to show you a fun way how to style your extensions. All you need is 2 rubber bands for this one, so nothing crazy. You're going to split your hair down the middle just like I have, and you're going to work on one side and then the next. I like to leave a little bit out in front just for some added flair. You're gonna put the rubber band in and drag it down just a little bit. You're going to split this hair in 2 and flip this inside just like that. Okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this out a little bit. Now you're gonna bring this down a little bit more, split it in half, but this time you have to make sure that you're kind of going off center. You don't want to go right in the middle because then you'll just have a whole long braid that's split down the middle. So you have to go just a little bit, grabbing pieces from each side. Then you're going to keep repeating that step over and over again. Hopefully this gave you an idea for something easy to do with your invisible bead extensions this winter.